Heather, this is your crazy puppy who actually brought the big teddy bear over from where it was. Right by him. All his doing. And now he's just fighting with it. Right, Rudy? Right, Rudy? You little crazy puppy? Right? You crazy puppy. Show Mommy what you were doing with the big teddy bear. Show her. Show her. Rudy. Rudy. Tack the puppy. Tack. Okay. Bye, Rudy.